Ho ho ho!
Huh? What the heck was that? I got my Alaska 47 to defend myself. Oh my god. There's an intruder on our house. Who are you? What are you doing here?
Why hello there. I'm Santa Claus. I just came here to surprise you.
You're Santa Claus and you came here to surprise me? In the middle of July?
It's Christmas in July, Clyde. That's why I came here.
Christmas in July? That's bull crap. People don't celebrate Christmas in July. Here. Take that. Hooray. I killed Santa Claus.
I wonder what all the commotion was about. Hey Clyde. What's going on out there? Why do you have an AK-47 in your hand?
Well, it's because I killed Santa Claus.
What? Why did you kill Santa Claus?
It's because Santa Claus came here for a surprise, but it is July and it's not yet Christmas.
Clyde, how dare you to kill Santa Claus? You know he was the one who delivers Christmas presents to all over the world. You will be so grounded super big time.
Let's get back into the house.
But Mom and Dad, what about Santa?
We'll deal with it later. Now get in your room.
Okay Mom and Dad.